Shukla ma'am from our renowned institution, Ideal Institute of Engineering Kalyani from the Department of Basic Science and Humanities. I hope so. You all are doing very well, and most importantly, you people are studying voraciously. Actually, the fact is that on account of sudden outbreak of COVID-19 and all, no one is able to maintain their daily normal lifestyles. So it's quite natural fact that everyone is getting so frustrated and so depressed. So in that respect, as a teacher, that is my only suggestions to all of you. Please don't get frustrated. Like, it's quite natural fact that homesickness is developing day by day. Just be very much positive and just cocksure one thing that we will obviously overcome that topsy-turvy and chaotic situations. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Anyway, welcome back to my English class, especially for the whole first year and the second year too. That is personal grooming. In fact, if you ask me as a teacher of English, that is my suggestions I'd like to suggest you all from the first year to the fourth year. Because finally at the end of the day, you people have pursuing your professional technical courses only to get professional success and recognitions in your professional field, right now. So, personal grooming, let's talk about personal grooming first. Before going to start about that particular part now, we need to know what is called grooming. What is called grooming? You know, in Bengali term, it's called sajgoj. Okay, actually the fact is that grooming is what actually you do to make yourself more demanding. Like what you do to make yourself more demanding, more appealing, like to in front of anybody. To make, just like it starts from brush up your teeth, comb up your hair, wear a very beautiful dress, etc., so on. Okay, so it starts from your personal life to the professional life. But why personal grooming is playing a very pivotal role for all the professionals, today I am going to tell you such. You know what, you people, like we all are belonging in 21st century world. The impression, and there is a stiff competition in the market. The impression we cast on other people, it do matter a lot for all of us. Actually the people perceive us that actually we have to maintain our very beautiful, very wonderful, unexpected image in front of anybody. Are you all getting my point? In fact, in this respect, actually, if you have been embraced with the personal grooming, if you have proper perceptions and the conceptions about actually what you do to represent yourself in your professional field, then you can get a social and as well as a professional recognitions. So for that reason only, actually this lies the need of personal grooming. Personal grooming, actually it will make your image more demanding, more appealing. It will help you to sell yourself in the market as a professional. Personal grooming, actually it help you to reinvent yourself and develop your personality. Actually personal grooming actually starts from personality development, presentation skills, dressing skills, selling skills, comm skills, etiquette skills, facing job interview skills, confidence skills, leadership skills, teamwork skills, time management skills, finally interpersonal skills. Actually, you know what, for your kind information, I'd like to tell you that actually in our 21st century world, you know what, there is a stiff competitions. Everyone is trying to overtake the another people. Okay, so my question is that, my dear students, friends, what kind of initiative you have already taken to represent yourself, to prove yourself? For that reason only, this lies the reason for personal grooming. Personal grooming is playing a very pivotal role. If you do not have been embraced with that kind of personal individual partner, you will not be able to prove yourself how much valuable you are in your professional field. Okay, so personal grooming courses includes all the different parts like personality development, presentation skills, etiquette skills, communication skills, and another gem like confidence skills, adjustment skills, negotiation skills, and another few skills are there like how to sell yourself in the market, how to show a very good behavior, good manners in front of the employer, in front of anybody who actually is taking your interviews and all. So I think in my point of view today I am going to teach you the different which is going to help you, which is like going to extend its supporting hands towards you all to like make a lucrative professional career. Okay? Actual personal grooming, it starts from personality development. Today I am going to teach you how we can develop our personality. So let's start. So what is called personality? First of all, before going to the depth of that particular partner, we need to know what is called personality. Actually, personality is like it's combination of different characteristics that form an individual's distinctive character. Like someone will tell you that this person is a very pleasing personality. Someone will tell you he is very audacious by nature. Someone tell you he is very aggressive. Someone will tell you he is a very cheerful personality. So all these are the different parts, different your negativity and positivity. It's a mixed combination of different characteristics that form a distinctive character. That is called personality. Now the questions arises very naturally that how we can develop our personality. Because if you want to join our professional field and prove ourselves to be much more expert and competent enough in that as a professional, we definitely need to have develop our personality. So let's start. Let's talk about how we can develop our personality. Actually, we can develop our personality by various ways. First of all, the thing is that always try to keep your brain cool. Whatever the situations and the circumstances are, always try to keep your head and brain cool. That is the first solutions I can give you and provide you. And the next thing is that always try to be very much assertive and positive towards your life. It's quite natural that life is not a bed of roses. Okay? So many problems we people have to go through. But it doesn't mean that you will be very much negative, very much pessimistic towards your life. Always try to be very much assertive and positive too. In this way, you can get success. That will be perceived to be as a key towards success. So that is the second solutions I can provide you. Like if you want to develop your personality, you need to be very much assertive and positive too. And the next part, that is like if you want to develop our personality, we need to be like always appreciate others. Learn how we can appreciate others. You have to learn how we can appreciate others. That is another very positive part if we want to develop our personality. And the next thing is that if we want to develop our personality, always accept any other's criticism. Learn how we can accept any other criticism. Suppose let's take an example in that respect. Suppose you are a very good singer as well as a very good student. At the same time, someone is started criticizing you or some fault. So always try to accept those criticism. Why? First of all, you have to ask yourself, why this person is started criticizing me? So always, whatever the situations and the circumstances are, you always have to accept anybody's criticism. So gladly learn how we can accept it. That is another very important solutions I can provide you all, my dear students, friends. If we want to develop our personality, we definitely have to accept anybody's criticism. And another very always, if you want to get professional recognitions, if you want to reach the zenith of success, always try to do something key. You always have to whatever the situations and the circumstances is, always try to do something. Be very much innovative and creative too. It's another very important part. And another very important part I can provide you all regarding developing personality. Like always very much passionate about your job and responsibilities. And that should be coming from the very deepest core of your heart. Otherwise nothing great will come. Don't pretend anything. Don't be hypocrite. Don't maintain the appearance, difference between appearance and the reality. Always try to show your honesty in front of any people. Okay? Always very much passionate about your job and responsibilities. It will help you. It will drive you towards a path of success. So it's another very important solutions I can provide you all to develop our personality. Like passionate, like love your job, love your professional field. Do it by yourself. Do it from the very core of your heart. So it's another very important solutions to develop our personality. And a few more another solutions which I can provide you. Okay, like don't imitate others. Don't imitate others. Like create your personal style. Okay? Suppose he is very much like he is a very good speaker. He is a very good talker. He is a very good dancer. He is a very good singer. So many qualities as a human being, we are born with some creative potentialities. You will be in the same boat. Don't forget that. But don't try to imitate others. Just try to create your own personal style. That will help you a lot to develop your personality. And another very important part to develop our personality is I'm going to share with you all, my dear students, friends, that is to develop our communication skills. You know what? Good communication skills is very important part for the success of any professionals. And being able to communicate properly is the most important part while seeking a placement in renowned organizations. Okay? And English language is very much essential in the lives of the young people who aspire to advance their career anywhere in the world. So don't forget that. And another very important part I'd like to tell you all key, English language learning is not same as learning to any other subjects. It's not confined in writing and examinations and getting a degree and award. The fourth skill of reading, writing, listening, speaking have to practice on regular basis. Otherwise, no one can help you, my dear students, friends. So, if you want to develop your personality, definitely English communication skills it plays a very pivotal role to present yourself or like to prove yourself in your professional field. So, all these are the different parts to develop our personality. Like, we have always, whatever the situations and circumstances are, we always have to keep our brain cool. That is the first solution, and the next one is that we always have to be very much assertive and positive too. And the third one is that we always have to be very much optimistic towards our life. And the fourth one is that always, whatever the situations and the circumstances are, always be very much passionate about your job and responsibilities. And the next one is that learn how to appreciate others. And the later one is that how we have to learn, we have to accept anybody's criticism. So, and finally, good communication skills. If you want to get professional as well as personal success, definitely English communication skills, it's very important part, it's very vital, it's very essential, it's pivotal for all of us, especially for all the professionals. And you know what? Personal grooming, in this way, personal grooming is going to help you in your in your professional field to get the key of success. So it's all about personality development. Actually, you know what? For your kind information, I'd like to tell you personal grooming and professional appearance. It will give you a professional looks. It will give you not only develop your impressions in front of anybody. At the same time, it will give you social recognitions and respect too. So always try to develop your personality. So that is, it's all about how we can develop our personality. I hope so you people have got a very clear perceptions about what I wanted to tell. Still, if you have any questions to ask, please let me know. Let me know through our official group, through personally calling. Okay? So till then, bye. Take care.